What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Prusament by Prusa Research and Joseph Prusa in PETG in lipstick red. I've worked with Prusament's filaments before. I have been very impressed with them. It really makes sense as to how they're able to charge a premium. But this one's one of the newer ones. Has their RFID tag. Do love the fact that it's easy to open. I apologize for the look of the box. It had my address on it, so that's just the way it came from Amazon. Yeah, so nice, easy to open bags that have the resealable Ziploc, resealing thing, which is always good to see and very helpful if you're in a pinch with storage. A couple things I love about this spool: one, it's refillable. Two, it has like a little notch on it that basically is just for when you get it, as you can see there. Yeah, right there. Basically to put the filament in, like no tape or anything like that. Anyway, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours, so I'll go do that. Anyway, if you're new here, we start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio. In this case, generic PETG. So we're going to go ahead and get that, sliced up here. For some reason, it's going to take an hour and a half. I need to look into see why that is. But we'll get that done along with all the other test prints, and I will see you back here in a jiff. All right, so here are the test prints. So like I said, here's the generic benchy. Turned out really well. Nice, shiny, glossy kind of color. Very vibrant and red. Always good to see. Next up, we had the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Was a little bit of an issue. I think just for whatever reason the seam came kind of undone there at the bottom, but overall I'd say pretty good. For the temperature, for this one, the best one was probably 230. It had the least amount of globbing or spike or stringing on the spike there, so that's good to see. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No stringing, nothing really to write home about there. Max volumetric speed test. This one performed absolutely amazing at 28 millimeters cubed per second. Overall, very, very good filament, for the speed. The overhang test performed very well, actually perfect. 80 degrees without any sort of loss of detail. Anyway, we got those things dialed in as best we could, and we reprinted that benchy. Again, this is really a statement to the quality of the filament, but here's where it comes down. So over at Amazon, you can pick this up for 30, less than $38 there. Runs a little bit higher, but you are paying for this type of consistency and quality. So like I said, I'm a huge fan of Prusament and Prusa in general. They've done a lot for the 3D printing community, which I admire. It's actually one of the reasons why I started this channel in the first place, is to give back to the community. So anyway, that's been Prusament by Joseph Prusa and Prusa Research's PETG in lipstick red. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new channel, and it does go a very long way. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be sure to be kind to each other. Print all the stuff. I really do hope to see you back here at the next review.